This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Morning guys, April 10th, 2019. This one here I got a call from a customer that there's a leak down in the basement over by the washing machine. She says that the copper pipe above it is spraying, pissing water out. And it's kind of raining down type of thing, so I'm on my way over there now. She says it seems to be coming from a copper pipe up high, spraying out a little stream. So I know it's in an area where they have well water, I'm pretty sure. So probably just pinhole leak in the pipe. I'll cut a section out and do an old patch and match. Patch and match, mama. Get it back going. I think the guy's in his 90s. The old patch and match. See the green, the hole, so I could probably pop that elbow off. Looks like somebody's already played around, did some piping on this.
I wouldn't know anything.
See, this is all new here. This has been rotten before, but we gotta pop that elbow off, and boy, it's gonna be a tight one. Looks like somebody cooked the place. Yeah, I could probably do it. So you got the water off.
Yep. You want us to move anything else out of there?
No.
Okay.
I just have to turn this on so I can dump some water out.
Oh yeah, we can unplug the wet dry. That's the yellow one.
The water down here. Yeah, go upstairs and open up all the faucets.
Sure.
Wherever that is, I think that's a toilet. Just flush the toilet.
They did actually.
Yeah, just flush the toilet and open up the faucets on that sink up there too. Let's see if I can cut that piece out and fix it. They got the water off. Well, we'll patch it. Maybe. You can see it peeing right out of there. See it? See it peeing right out. I can make a cut right here. And then I have to try to pop that elbow off. Not easy. That might be a tough one. I don't know if I can do it. Got the water. It's going to be a low spot here, so I'm going to have to put a drain fitting in this thing. Maybe a drain elbow with a slip coupling. She's all like her. She's all like her. Can't leave it like that. Flipping shit's everywhere. What a shit show. That's probably feeding the toilet. Worst comes to worst, I could drill another hole through the floor, bring a line up through the floor, and do away with this if I had to. It's right against the wood there. I don't know if I can get that off of there or not. Ain't no play there. We got a slip coupling here with a drain elbow. Not easy being cheesy, Mama. I don't know if you can see it or not, but don't know if you can. Oh, that's what I'm gonna have to do. Oh, regular elbow, I should be able to get play on that and pop it up. See if I get it off. Not easy being cheesy. Yeah, I'll be able to get it, I think. Maybe. Alright. Something like this, you gotta use one of them jet couplings to drain the steam out. Well, you're gonna have issues. There's a jet coupling over there, so I can bleed it out, steam it out. He's still dripping. This one might be a little tough here. We'll see. Hope not. Hope I can do it. I got it all fluxed up. See if I can get it in. Might have to heat that up a little bit. How much? Whoa, that's all crushing. Wow. That's no good. It's all crushing. It's all thin. So we're going to have to come up through the floor with another one. That's not good. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but that's one thin bugger over there. Alright guys, I'm going to try to solder that up. Hopefully I can get it. It's all tile upstairs. Everything's tile. I don't want to play around with that. See if I can get it soldered. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but that's where I'm going right there. See if I can solder it. I hope so. Turn into a shit show. It'll turn into a real shit show quick. flipping dirty. I'm gonna try to get some solder up in there. Cool. You don't want to cook it. You put too much heat on it, you'll burn it. Might be okay. We'll find out. Let it cool and you see. I don't know. We'll have to let it cool down good. Put the cap on it and see if it takes. If not, I gotta go through the tile floor. I mean, I'd rather not. I'm gonna turn into a real shit show. I put the cap on. We're gonna see if it leaks. If it leaks, we're gonna go to plan B. Not gonna be pretty. Just get all the faucets shut off upstairs. I don't really want to go through the tile floor. That's feeding the toilet. That's what that's feeding. We'll see it dripping. Might be okay. Maybe. I might have got lucky on that one. I mean, that pipe's thin going up in that wall. Not dripping. No, I didn't burn that wood. That wood was burnt like that. Yeah, she's not dripping. But that pipe going up is really thin. And it's there's all tile, but there's a cabinet, kitchen cabinets on this side. I could always cut it if I had to, I guess. That's the pipe that was leaking right there. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Here's the elbow. You can tell it's old stuff, it's brass. So got lucky. I'd have to smash the tile. I guess I could smash the tile and bring another line up if I had to, but it's not leaking now, so.
Right.
And the wall's all tile. That's it. It's not leaking. Picking up my tools and getting out of here. I told her it's thin. A lot of the piping's thin. This is all old piping. Alright guys, just left that job. I told the homeowner, which is he's an older guy, he's over 90, 92 or something, that the piping's really thin in the walls, and I was able to solder it out, but the house is all full of that old piping like that. But to change that piping in the wall or come up through the floor, I'd have to break that tile floor, drill down through. Worst case scenario, if it starts leaking in the wall, we'll do that. But I let him know he's got some old stuff there. It might last. Who knows how long it'll last for? I do a lot of that, patching that old pipe like that. And they'll call you in a couple of years, they get another leak somewhere. I mean, the pipe's just getting real thin. And it's not only, it's all over the house. I mean, the different areas that's all got that old stuff, but it is what it is. That could have turned into a real shit show real quickly. Oh yeah, that turned into a shit show.